Hi children, in previous class we have started our second lesson, fun indoors, right? And I have explained page number 19. There are two children, Millie and Billy, and when they asked her mother for permission to go outside for playing, but their mother she did not allow. Why? Because the climate was too bad. So mother told them to play inside, and they were started to play indoor games. And first what they did, they started with their drawings and coloring. Millie had drawn a fairy, and Billy had drawn witches. Up to here I explained, and they have done many things inside. What were the things? We let us see. Okay, turn over the page number 20. Page number 20. Then they pretended to be pirates. They took a torch and looked all around the house for hidden treasures. They found a little toy moose hidden away hidden away behind a cupboard. It was dusty, so they washed it and it came out as good as new. They pretended to be later. First they had drawn something, right? Fairy and witches. Later what they have done? They are pretending, they are acting like pirates, in the sense robbers or thieves. See, you can see in the picture. Okay, see, one eye is closed and they are pretending, they are acting like they are robbers or thieves. And they are what they are doing, they are lighting the torch and they are searching for treasure, nidhi. And they found, while playing that, they found a moose. Moose, in the sense, it is a doll of large deer that lives. It is a doll of deer. Okay, they found that doll, and what they have done, a toy it is of deer. Okay, and they found that, and it was too dusty. What they have done, they took it and they washed it, and it is now looking like new. What, that toys? Okay, and after that they pulled some chairs together and wrapped a sheet on them to make a tent in the living room. They took the moose into the tent. What shall we call him? Billy asked. What they done? Again they dragged, they pulled some chairs in the living room, and they covered that chairs with they draped in the sense hanged loosely. They hanged some bed sheet on the chairs, and they made it like a tent. They made a tent. They pulled the chairs into the living room and hanged some bedsheet on the chairs, and they made a tent, and they take this moose in the sense that a deer toy is there, no? That they took that toy inside, and they asked Millie and Billy. Now Billy asked to Millie, what we can call this one, this moose, what name we can keep for this moose? And what about Mooster? Millie replied with a giggle. Hello, I am Mooster. Mooster. What is your name? Billy said. See, they kept a name for the moose. What is the name? Mooster. They are calling it Mooster, and they are playing. They are playing with the Mooster. How they play? They are having the conversation. Okay, hello, I am Mooster. What is your name? Billy said. Billy and Millie, they are playing with the what? With this moose, and they made a tent, and inside the tent they are playing. Okay. It is bath time. Mummy called. Millie and Billy continued playing pretend in the bathroom. This time they pretend to be fish swimming around in a stream. Next, suddenly who called her? Their mummy called. Now it is the time to take bath. And when they went to the bathroom for bathing, still they are playing. What they are playing now? They are playing like they are fish. They are pretending like they are acting like a fish. How the fish is swimming around the stream, like that they are acting in the bathroom. We really did have lots of fun indoors today, didn't we? Billy said as he and Billy snuggled down in their beds that evening. Then that night when they went to sleep, when they went to their bed, they're having conversation, having talk about this word. Today we had fun, more fun in the house. Today they didn't go outside, right? Even it is Sunday also they did not go outside. Why? Because climate was too bad, and they had lots of fun in their house itself. Indoor fun they had. What are the things they did? They drawn, and they have colored for their drawings, and they were acting like robbers, and they watched the moose, and they made tent and they played in the tent. Later when they went to the bathroom, they act as fish, like that. More fun they had inside the house. And that is right, Millie said. It is great to use your imagination, isn't it, Billy? Yes, he agreed with a yawn. Night, night, Millie said. Sweet dreams, Billy replied sleepily, and in no time he and Millie were both fast asleep, dreams of fun indoors. It is night now. Okay, they are. Millie said, using our imagination, we played a lot today. We can do many things, or we can have many indoors, fun indoors by using our imagination, right? All are like to play outside only, right? All of you are like to play outside, but by using our imagination we can have many fun indoors in our house itself, right? Like Billy and Millie. And they said, okay, it is night. Millie said good night to Billy, and good night and sweet dreams. And now they fastly asleep. They slept very fast, and now they are dreaming. What is the dream? They are dreaming dreams of fun indoors, like playing more fun indoors games they are playing. Okay, one Sunday you to try to play indoor games. Okay, you to have fun indoors by using your imagination, like Billy and Millie. Okay, by making tent and acting like fish. You can also do, right? Okay, try to do it. Okay, your today's homework is to read the what homework I gave yesterday. Okay, you have read the lesson yesterday, I think. Okay, what is your today's homework is to write the question answers. I will give you. I will send question answers along with this video. 2 or 3 question answers I will send along this video. You have to write it in neatly in your notebook. You have to copy it, and tomorrow I shall explain the question answers. Okay, I'll give you 2 or 3 question answers today for today as your homework. You have to copy it neatly in your textbook. First, in your notebook. First, you have to write the name of the lesson, fun indoors. Then you have to copy the question and answer.